Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cleaning with Keishan Services. Today we're going to be testing some stuff.
Yeah, so today we're going to be putting to the test a cheap foam can versus an expensive foam can. I have one cheap Chinese knockoff of a foam can that I bought on Amazon with my own money, and the other one is the Torx foam cannon from Chemical Guys that I bought. The cheap one costed roughly around $19.99. And the expensive one was about $95.
Wow.
It did come with 3 soaps. I think that's what it did raise up the price. I think if you just buy just the foam can, it's still $75.
Okay.
So we're going to be putting it to the test. Is it really worth getting that expensive foam
95
can?
versus 20.
95 versus 20. Is it really worth it?
Well, we'll see that, guys. So I'll catch you in the back.
So on our right side, we got our $95 foam cannon. And on our left side, we got that $20 cheap Chinese foam can. Instantly, you can see some different results. Obviously, on the right side, it is a tad bit taller. The shaft of the foam cannon head sprayer is a tad bit bigger. You see it lengthwise, straight going this way. You can see it going like that. Our adjusting knob on the more expensive one is much bigger than the cheap Chinese version. And overall, the build quality, if you are using them side by side, the more expensive one does feel better. It is a bit lighter than the actual cheap version. The one thing I do like about this one is that it's a clear bottle and it's not a frosted bottle like this one. I don't really know how much I have going inside if I'm using water. On this one, at least I know exactly how much I got left, how much I'm putting soap in. It's very clear and very easy to use. It's also it's a lot more easier to read from the adjustment knobs. Just going this way, you can see turning to your right, you have more soap. Turning to this side, it just has a plus and a minus. It's a little bit confusing to read if you're a first time user. But if we're looking just at value-wise, is this one bad? I wouldn't say it's bad. I just think that in terms of how long you're gonna be using it and how much use you're gonna get out of it, at this point, I think it's better to get the more expensive version. But let's see how much foam each one can produce with the same amount of soap and water in each one. All right, so we're gonna be using Chemical Guys Citrus Washing Gloss, and to be as transparent as possible, we're gonna be using 4 pumps of each and each foam cannon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And on this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we'll fill it up with water and we'll be back in just a minute.
Hey, what are we going to do now?
All right, so on the left side of the car, we're going to be using the expensive foam cannon. So on the right side, on this side, we're going to be using the cheap foam cannon.
Okay, so this side of the car is going to be expensive?
Correct.
And this side is going to be cheap?
Cheap.
All right, let's look at it, spray that guy. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to mine and Keishan's channel. That's Cars and Couches and Keishan Services. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for next week's, Cleaning with Keishan. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you.